Welcome back, adventurer. I'm the Onion Dragon. I'm going to teach you what to do with this. First, you take a knife, then you slice it right down, but make sure it doesn't hit the ground, 'cause if you slice it right off, it gets really tough. Let's slice it down to here, and that should be enough. Heh. Then slice it again till it's all the way across. Then rotate and slice it to make the final boss. And the last thing you do, you turn it on its side, cut it all the way through until the boss has died. Dragon, dragon, you beat the dragon, dragon dicing.